These are the controversial, important, and most repeated exam points, and make sure to follow the sequence in descending order according to the MCQ stem or the point that you might cover for the exams. In cerebellar Leon sequence, first is dysdiadochokinesia, which is the inability to perform rapid alternating muscle movement. Then dysarthria, which is the motor speech disorder and cause poor articulation of phonemes, that is the smallest unit of sound that distinguish one word from the other. Then ataxia, that is the lack of voluntary coordination of muscle movements. Nystagmus involve the rapid, repetitive, uncontrolled movements of eyes. And lastly, dysmetria, which is the inability to control the distance, speed, and range of motion needed for coordinated movement, typified by overshoot or undershoot of intended position with the hand, arm, leg, or the eye. The respiratory parameters in pregnancy, first there is decrease in the arterial pressure of carbon dioxide that create a larger gradient of carbon dioxide between the mother and fetus, which help deliver more oxygen and remove more of the carbon dioxide from the fetus. Hormonal changes including progesterone, which increase the respiration leading to hyperventilation and decrease the arterial pressure of carbon dioxide. And hormonal changes, which include the enlarging uterus that put pressure on the diaphragm, making it harder to expand the lungs when breathing in and out, and this causes the chest wall to enlarge slightly. Then there is decrease in FEV1 to FVC due to hormonal changes which impact pulmonary functions. Mechanical adjustment, which is due to the growing uterus, there is increase in metabolic demand of mother and fetus, and then prostaglandin that can increase the airway resistance during the pregnancy. Decrease in the functional residual capacity, and it can decrease up to 20% by the end of third trimester. And this is because of chest wall compliance, which is decreased by about 35 to 40% in late pregnancy due to increase in abdominal content, which lead to diaphragm repositioning, which flatten the central tendon and elevate the rib cage. The rib cage expansion is likely due to the fluid or fatty tissue accumulation as well as to compensate shortened thorax. And there is increase in minute ventilation to compensate for increased carbon dioxide production and oxygen consumption, and it is due to the increase in the tidal volume. Then there is decrease in the total lung capacity, and this is because of the diaphragm elevation, which moves upward toward the chest and aid by increasing the amount of air breathed in and out. And lastly, increase in the tidal volume to meet the increased demand of the fetus and changing physiology of the mother. And the factor affecting it is the progesterone that increase the respiration, lead to hyperventilation and decrease the arterial pressure of carbon dioxide. And lastly, increase in the oxygen consumption that increase by 20 to 30% by third trimester and up to 100% in labor. In most rapidly adapting receptor, the first one is Pacinian receptor, which detect the high frequency vibration from 40 to 400 Hz, and these are the receptor that detect the tuning fork frequency of 128 Hz. These are responsible for the deep touch and are encapsulated and appear as onion-like on the subcutaneous skin. Then Meissner's receptor, which detect the low frequency vibration of up to 40 Hz and responsible for the light touch. They are encapsulated and present on the hairless skin and abundant on the fingertips. Then hair and organ, it's a touch receptor and a sensory axon coiled around the base of hair follicle. And lastly, cross receptors, which also called the cross bulb, and these detect the cold sensation and located in the skin and the mucous membrane.